we made a Fortnite battle bus.
Who needs Mr. Beast when you got Silverpunk? In today's video, it's a viewer request from Too Great to Get For, and it's a V-Buck silver round. So let's get straight into it. So here we are, guys and girls. As you can see, first job as usual, we'll take the 3D print. I've got the old Silverpunk screw in the back of it to make it easier to pull out. So we're going to do the casting now. So same process as normal with the sand casting. We're just going to fill it up with sand, and then we're going to push in the 3D print to make the impression where we're going to pour the silver in. There you go. So I just like to break up the sand, the casting clay a little bit, so you get a better impression. Sometimes I sieve it in. Just depends on the complexity of the model we're trying to do. And there you go, Silverpunks, as you can see, come out a lot better, just what we wanted. And let's get in the pouring shed. So we are at the fun bit now, just giving the tongs a warm up as normal to get rid of any of the coldness out of them, any of the condensation. We don't want no problems when we pick the red hot crucible up. So here we go, time for the pour. We got the glow, so it's time to get it on. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Look at the colours on them. We plopped in nice. So nice steady pour, which I was pleased with. Now we'll let it cool down and we'll get it over for the quench. And as you can see, it's come out pretty cool. Very pleased with the efforts. So now we've got to do the toning and the polishing up. But yeah, very pleased with how it come out.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cobra's Den. Well, what have we got here? We're back on the Geigers. But why? Well, I guess it's because I've got a friend who keeps going over there to Germany, to Geiger itself, and buying Geigers. And every time he does it, he phones me up and he says, Cobra, and perfect, I had to get it. So it started with that one, and it went on to the 10-ounce Geiger. Again, beautiful piece, just immaculate. Now these two come in a sort of plastic wrap, and the silver 100-ounce Geiger, which I'll show you in one moment, they came in these capsules. And I didn't think you could make these look any better, but these definitely do. Now I always said I wouldn't buy something so small in gold, but again, so perfect that I had to pick one up. And then this one came up, which is a 10 gram, absolutely gorgeous. Now as they get bigger, the detail is more.
The British Crown had been planning to decimalise the pound since 1682. But it wasn't until 1849 when they finally took action and so commenced the minting of a brand new coin, the florin, which borrowed its name from a Dutch coin of similar size and value, and as such making trade between the two countries just that little bit easier, amidst one small phrase which had been traditionally included in all British coinage up to yet. That phrase being de gratia, which of course is Latin and would translate to by grace of God. 1 florin and 1/10 of a pound at the bottom, as once again this was an early attempt at decimalisation of the pound. It's an absolutely stunningly beautiful coin which is very scarce and hard to obtain due to its very limited mintage of only a few months, and therefore value-wise it does carry a bit of a premium.
Come check out our battle bus. Come here, guys. All right. So, first things first, we've got a PlayStation. Only game on the PlayStation is Fortnite. That's all Tifu can play.